ভাই বোনদের মধ্যে তুমি সবথেকে বড়, ওদের সঙ্গে সম্পর্ক ওরা ভয় পায় নাকি খুব বেশি ফ্রেন্ডলি?
Remo, Namoshi, Dishi, as I told you, they are my building blocks, you know. Unke bina, I don't think I would be a better person today. And Dishi, my sister, she is my soul. We don't meet eye to eye sometimes because she's growing up and she's a teenager now. So, जैसे वो थी, मैं वैसे था उनकी उम्र में. And today she's very rebellious and, you know, she fights on small things. But she's my sister and she is my life, period. You know, I mean, she told also, I think recently in a Christmas dinner that I'm the most protective brother she's ever among the three. You know, Remo is the guy she confides into. Namoshi is the dude, and I'm the, you know, the bodyguard. But my two brothers and sister, I think every day for us is a memory. You know, I mean, ऐसे मौके होते हैं कि you know, just हम लोग ऐसे ही बैठे and हम लोग सिर्फ बात कर रहे हैं. You know, we even forget के what's the time, how late it is. We just talk gibberish or funny things, or we just remember old memories and laugh. It is, you know, unplanned. And whenever I do that, I feel, oh wow, I had a good conversation. You know, and it's only because of those three, man. Trust me.
ছোটবেলায় বাবার কোনো ফিল্মের সেটে কোনো মেমরি?
Billion times. I think I've grown up in dad's sets because dad जब मुंबई में शूटिंग करते थे I used to go, and जब dad ऊटी में शूटिंग करते थे even then I used to go. You know, we used to go as a family. So I remember it was always fun. You know, मुझे अभी भी याद है कि dad की जितनी भी heroines थी, actresses थी, used to come and always, you know, pull my cheeks and all. Oh, you're so cute. I wish they did that today. Trust me, that would have been very good. But yeah, I remember I was the cute son. You know, that was quite funny back then. But yeah, it was fun.
শুধু বলিউড নয়, গোটা ইন্ডিয়ান ফিল্মেরই ডান্স সুপারস্টার বলতে গেলে প্রথম নাম চলে আসে মিঠুন চক্রবর্তীর। তার ছেলে হিসেবে ডান্স নিয়ে একটা প্যাশন থাকবে তা বলাই বাহুল্য। ছোটবেলা থেকে এই ব্যাপারটা মিমোর কাছে ইন্সপায়ারিং নাকি বাড়তি একটা প্রেশার?
The expectations are magnanimous, you know, because dad ने हर चीज़ का level upgrade कर दी. Whether it was performance, whether it was dancing, whether it was fighting, whether it was even as a human being, you know, dad ने he just upgraded the entire thing for me. So of course it's everything about being a son is a challenge. You know, even आपसे जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, even this the people will compare. So yes, it's before, to be honest, it was very difficult. I was like, you know, chalo mujhe ek break de do yaar, you know, like let me be the way I am. But today I know that it is my responsibility because log chahte, because it's their love, man. I mean, I cannot hamper their love. I cannot take it for granted. I cannot say कि चलो यार मैं उनका बेटा तो मुझे एक free ticket दे दो, no. Because they are paying their hard work, earn money, and going and watching me on the big screen. I owe it to them to be at least 1% of what my father is, you know. So yes, comparison तो होगा ही, चाहे वो dance हो, fight हो, acting हो. But yes, dance में जैसे आपने कहा कि there is a +1 more expectation because he is the dancing legend, and I always make sure that I rehearse my songs. I give my 100% or maybe 200% to the songs because वो direct link or comparison होता है. Well, rest is of course up to the audience.
ভারতবর্ষের যে কোনো জায়গার তুলনায় বাংলা ছবিতে কাজ করাটা অনেকটা ডিফারেন্ট। মিমোর মতে কি কথাটা ঠিক না ভুল?
This question, if you were asked me 5 years ago, I would have said yes. That it's a niche kind of cinema. You know, it's like thoda hatke. But today, I was just having a discussion a couple of minutes back. Bengal cinema is not niche cinema anymore. It's magnanimous. It has grown. It has become big. They shoot songs in different countries, you know. They leave no stone unturned when it comes to making films. I think कोई फर्क नहीं है, I think. You know, we're just using regional term just for the heck of it. Because जब मैं रॉकी के लिए शूट कर रहा था, I think that the entire concept and the look of the film didn't look Bengali at all. You know, there's no restrictions to filmmaking anymore. It's just become so big. And I'm very honored and happy that I'm a part of the cinema today. Because Bengal cinema, in fact, is a very perfect blend between the artwork and the commercial cinema. It's just balanced over there. So I think it's a very good time to be a part of Bengal cinema.
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ মিমো আমাদের সাথে আড্ডা মারার জন্য। আমাদের তো ব্যাপক লাগলো। উইশ ইউ অল দ্য লাক ফর রকি অ্যান্ড উই হোপ যে রকি উইল অ্যাবসলিউটলি রক।
Rocky Bhai, Rocky Bhai.